Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.31 Dimension Cells Project Dimensions Sheet. Dimensions are entered on the project dimensions sheet. Every feature on the project dimensions sheet has 5 dimension values defined. 4 are the dimensions: width, depth, height section, and height accumulated. The 5th value is quantity. 2 cells are used for each value. The upper cell has a range name used throughout the application. The upper cell is a formula that converts the lower cell value to metric from imperial dimension. Dimensions are entered in the lower cell. No entries should be made in columns K through O because all cell values are formula. All sheets are set up for sheet protection if the user wants to turn it on. This example 1.1.31 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking on item 1.1.32.